Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I am here to work in my budget book, F.A.N.C.Y. This is a budget planning system from Fancy Budgeting. I did an unboxing and first impressions video that I will link in the iCard up above. But now I am ready to start working in this for the month of May. I've already gone in and filled in the bill pay dashboard with all my bills for the month. And this budget planner has 3 monthly calendars so that you can divide up what you need to divide up at the beginning of the month. I decided not to use the first calendar, which is the month on one page. I'm skipping to the second one and I'm using the month on 2-page version. And I'm using the months and dates that come with this deluxe kit. That is the kit that I have from Fancy Budgeting. And I am using the numbers to go ahead and date the month of May. Now, these stickers are glossy stickers, which I am not really a fan of, but they do seem to work okay. I do see a little glare, but it's not horrible. So I can live with this little bit of glare. And I really wanted to use as many stickers as I could that came with this kit so that I could get a feel for how it actually works. So here I'm deciding which monthly stickers I'm going to use, and I use the very large version. And I just stuck that on the back of my hand while I work on the header. So I pulled out my Roy G. Biv Kelva Plan sticker books, Volume 1 and Volume 2, and I decided to go with this bluish gray floral at the top in my header. It wasn't wide enough, so I cut it, kind of trying to follow the florals that are in it so that it would look like a natural cut. And then I'm placing a piece in each corner. And so for this first spread, I try to keep it simple and kind of match with what the planner was already giving. So that is also a reason why I went with that color. I put down the May sticker, and now I am looking for another floral to use in the header because it still looks a little empty up there. So again, I cut the sticker in, well, not quite in half, but I cut it so that I could use a piece on each page so that that image would flow across the top. So I'm happy with the header. So now I'm putting in my bills. I don't have stickers for every type of bill that I pay, so I'll be using these gray boxes that are available to patrons over on the Scrapcraftastic Patreon to mark the days where I have bills that are due. Not necessarily the day that I'm going to pay them, but that's the day that they're due. And I haven't done this in a while, like actually note them on a calendar. So you'll see me flip back and forth to my bill payment list to make sure that I'm including everything. I'm trying to use everything that came with the deluxe kit, that's including this pen. And I must say, I am liking the pen. So I don't have a problem with the pen. It's not heavy. And you know, I talked about those other pens being heavy. I've actually been using them more. Maybe I'm just getting used to it. I don't know. But I have been using them more. Here, I'm just putting in some paydays. Instead of me putting a payday sticker all the way down the page, I just put it for the first week, and I know what I mean. This doll is from Capital Chic Designs, and I've had her for a while. I don't know why I never used her, but I'm going to use her on this spread. She seems to go well with it, and I'm going to use one of my black boxes for her to stand on, and that also gives me a little writing space down at the bottom if I need it. Usually I don't need the sidebars on monthlies, but just in case, I wanted to give myself a little space. So here I'm taking the bookmark or the ribbon page mark and placing it on the page. And then I'm adjusting the other ribbon. And that's pretty much it for my monthly in budget book F.A.N.C.Y. Now I'm going to move on to working in the weekly companion book. I'm going to be using these stickers from Walmart. I decided for this first spread, again, I wanted to stay true to the branding from Fancy Budgeting. So I'm going to do a black, white, and gold themed spread. So I put everything that I felt like I would need in this pouch from Fabulously Creative to keep all my fancy budgeting pieces together. And I pulled out the silver and black branded washi. I was more thinking about the big budget book versus the companion when I did that. But I am using the washi to frame the notes box. And I also decided I was grabbing for my ruler, and then I said, well, wait a minute, let me try the washi card and see how it worked. Well, I'm impressed with that too. I like it. I really like it. This isn't plastic, it is metal, so it works great. And I'm even thinking of ordering me a couple more because I'm just like, wow, hope I don't lose this. I really like it. Anywho, so I am using these swatch day of the week stickers from the Walmart sticker book, and the font on that is gold. So I didn't really realize that when I was putting down the silver and black washi. So I will go back and change that. Also, the days of the week in this planner go across. So from left to right is Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I decided to switch that up and change it to what I'm used to. So Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday on one page, then Thursday, Friday, and Saturday on the other page. Now, I probably won't do this all the time, but that is the way I like it. So I'm going to stick with what I like for this first spread. So here's where I realize, oops, that's silver and it should be gold. So I pull out the gold washi and I'm going to switch that up. And I'm just placing the washi that I didn't use on the washi graveyard. And here I'm going back and putting the gold washi down. So I also have this other gold washi, and I wasn't sure which way the pattern was supposed to go. So I put it one way on the boxes on the bottom, and then I switched it up for the boxes on the top. If anybody knows which way it's supposed to go, let me know in the comments below. Let me know if the bottom row is correct or if the top row is correct. I was feeling a little lazy. I guess I could have Googled it, but I didn't. So as far as how I'm using the weekly companion, I will note the bills that are due that week, but I will also mostly be using this to write down expenses. So there won't be a whole lot of decorating going on. I did use a May sticker from the Walmart sticker book and then a notes-based sticker for the notes section. And then I'm using this Agenda 52 dates and calendar. I'm not sure the title of the book, but I'll put a note in the description box below. I'm using the black squares with gold text to date this. Then I think I only have one bill due this week, so I am going to use one box. I pulled up two, but then I realized I only needed one. So one bill for this week, which is the week of May 2nd through 8th. And here I pulled out my doll stickers from Isis Ella Jewels, and I found that these boxes are the perfect size for the medium to small size dolls that come on an Isis Ella Jewels doll sheet. So I'm using some of the dolls that coordinate with this spread. So this is a great way to use those dolls. And here I'm noting paydays for the week and just adding another one of the Isis Ella Jewels dolls. So as you can see, even though the page is decorated, I still have plenty of room to write down any expenses each day. Then I have these self-adhesive pockets that are from Amazon. I will link to them in the description box below if they are still available. And I wanted to put something in here to hold maybe small sticker sheets, and also sticky notes. So I also want to keep the note that was sent with the deluxe kit when I received it. So I am going to use some of the fancy washi tape and tape that in. And this was just a day of me, or a day or two of me sitting down in the craft lab and actually just working in the planner, getting used to it, figuring out how I want to use things. So I'm going to go ahead and put sticky notes in that pocket. So I'm going to use the Walmart sticker book once again to go ahead and put my name on the title page. The stickers are silver and gold, so I think they go great with the branding for fancy budgeting. So that's it for my first weekly setup with fancy budgeting. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.